Good morning. I have a special announcement today. I'm going to kind of get a little closer. Here we go. Special announcement is the channel has finally got over 500 subscribers. We're halfway there for monetization. We're also growing. The majority of these subscribers have came in the last 6 to 8 months since I retired from work. In honor of that, there's going to be a giveaway, and I'm going to show you what it is in just a minute. One of the things I'm going to follow up on right here with this announcement is somebody had asked about the ball markers and the hats, and it was actually a Facebook person of mine. This is a ball clip. This is not the one I made it for, but this is one. They fit on your hat just like this. And then your ball marker resides like this. So when you're playing golf, you just reach up here and get this and mark your ball on the green. So I'll step back. See, this comes like this. Okay. So let me get what I'm going to do the gift. I'm going to actually make the gift, and we'll go back over this one more time. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the information that I'm going to do on the 500 subscriber drawing. The gift is going to be modified children's paint cups. It will be a set of 4 of them. They'll just like this one here, be modified, basically a children's paint cup with a spigot down inside of it. It'll be a set of 4 of them, modified to work for you to use in your shop. I will send these things anywhere to any subscriber, the winning subscriber, wherever he's at, free postage. I will mail it to you. Okay, here's how we're going to do this. Between now and September the 20th is going to be the cutoff day for the emails. So what you need to do, and my email address will be across the bottom, froze here, and it'll run across the bottom. It'll be at the end of this video too. So if you don't catch it, I'll repeat my email address very slowly. jdedmon91@gmail.com. It's the one that's associated with my YouTube account. And if you will send me an email, subject 500 subscriber drawing. We will get all the addresses together. I will do it probably the 21st. I will do the 21st, or soon after the 21st I can get to it in case something comes up. We will draw the name out. I will take all the names of the people who send in emails. I will put them in a hat or a bucket or some container. We will draw them out right here on camera, and then I will contact that person back by email, and we'll save all the emails. I'll contact them back and let them know who they are, and I will put them in the mail. It's open to everybody that subscribes to my channel or views my channel. If you want to enter this drawing, all you got to do is send me an email with the 500 subscriber drawing, and that's what we want you to do. Good luck to all of the subscribers and the viewers in this drawing. And I'm going to remind you of something. This is going to not be open and closed. This video, like every video that's produced here, is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. I hope you enjoy this quick announcement, and please get your emails in. Thank you.